Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Jalal Ahmad, and in this tutorial we are going to learn about the css3 fonts. So for that purpose, we let me first tell you that what is css3 font face rule. So css3 font face rules let the web designers to include their own to include the custom font files in their directories to use in their websites. So the restriction to use only the website fonts has been overed by the css3, and now web designers are free to use their own custom fonts in their websites. Okay, for that purpose, let me first show you that I have included these font files in my source directories, and I will show you how we can use the font face of css3. So I have taken these from, you can take it from your Windows fonts. Just write the fonts and you can take any font according to your wish. Okay, I have taken the Comic Sans and the Elephant, and let me show you how can we use it. So I have taken two divs. Let me show it in here. I have taken two divs which includes their own text and a horizontal rule in between, so that we can clear the difference, we can make some differences clear. Okay, now let me come here in the style and use the font face and go ahead. So font family we will be required, that is the required property font family. Okay, and you can give it a name, any name, and a source where your files are located. So let me show you that comic ttf, okay, it's up to here, it's enough to here. Now I would like to apply this to the first div that has the class by the name of 1, and let me use the font family and just write this name in here, and let me show you the magic. Okay, so we have applied our font file, our custom font to the first div, and similarly you can apply it to the second one as well, that has copy and paste, and again the same way, font family, any name, and let me refresh, and we have applied our custom fonts, our own fonts to both of the divs. So if I want to make it as bold, so I have to make it bold, which will be an optional. These two are required properties, and after it I will use the optional properties, in which I can use the font wet, bold, and let me show you that it is not working. Okay, for this purpose, if I want to make these fonts bold in Fontface, so I would have to include a file which will include the bold characters to use to make our text bold. So I have another file in here that is comic dd. Let me show you. This one is the comic dd file, and now if I give it a name that is different from this one, okay, now this name has been applied to the first div only, and let me show you that it has been bold. The font file which I just included has the bold characters and been applied to the first div. Similarly, I can apply it to the second div as well, and you can see Okay, if any name, this one, I just use the the font weight property, which I assign the value of bold, and it was not working in here after before a little time before this, including this file, and you saw that it was not working. So if I make it as bold in here, font weight bold, okay, so now you can notice we have made this font bold by our own style, and this font is bold by the file which includes these bold characters. So you can notice a clear change. You can notice the change. This boldness and this boldness is a little bit have a little bit difference in their boldness. Okay, so if I remove this one from here, if I make all the names as same and make it as, so you can see now the bold characters are not applied to any of the div. So the reason is that if you use the same name for both the Fontface, so it will take the normal file. It has taken this file and not the bold not the bold character file. Okay, in this situation we will use the font weight property in here because it is taking this file, and we will use the font weight property bold, and you can see this name and this name applied to both of the divs will get the bold characters from this file and will apply to both the divs, to class 1 and class 2 div. Okay, similarly we can use this for our let me now show you the italic. To make the text italic, let me include the empty, and this will become I. So elif HNTI elif HNTI 11. So this file is of normal is having the normal weight, and this file is having the normal style, and this file has the italic style. So let me refresh, and you can see font has been changed. The font families are now changed. So for that purpose I would like to make these text italic, and font style and italic, and let me show that it has used the characters from italic from the elif HNTI.ttf file, which includes the italic characters. Okay guys, now let me show you that the supporting browsers in this picture, and you can clearly notice that these are different formats, and which are supported by different browsers. So I highly recommend you that use only those formats which are supported by many of the browsers you can see. So that was about the tutorial, and hope you guys have learned about the Fontface rule of css3, and if you like my video, please rate, comment and subscribe my channel and leave your comments, and thank you for now.